Hey everyone, I'm Jack from Andromeda Intelligence, and this is Cygnus AI, a new kind of automation platform that's truly agentic. Unlike tools like Zapier or N8N that just plug AI into rigid, predefined flows, Cygnus runs on autonomous agents that can actually think, pause, and resume on their own. We wanted to focus more on automating nonlinear, time-spanning processes, which is what real-world workflows looks like. Let's say you've got a purchase order, and you create an agent to check if it's compliant with a contract. And then you might ask it to get it reviewed by legal team and reach out to you if there's any issues. Now, this process might take a lot of time. Legal department might take more time to review, or agent might have a back-and-forth conversations until it gets the final approval. All of this requires agents to be able to wait for a response, get back to work, and then maybe wait again in case the legal team needs more time to review. Trying to capture this sort of complexity in something like N8N becomes very infeasible, as it's not meant to be used for that sort of use cases. It works best when you know what you want, and the path to get there is clear. Otherwise, Cygnus AI is exactly what you need. Let me show you an example. Here we have a pipeline that basically does credit underwriting, right? It takes in an annual report document as an input, and we've created a bunch of agents here to conduct some analysis. Currently, the agent has decided to make an API call, which is a mock API that simulates a long-running analysis job. As you can see here, we have also a built-in approval system where you can see the input of the call and can decide whether to approve or reject it, or can even modify the inputs before approving. So in this case, we are approving it. Let's give it some time, and here we go. It has approved. And let's track the agent reasoning to see what it does next. And here we go. It has decided to sleep for 5 minutes, because in the API response, we returned the job will take anywhere between 4 to 5 minutes. We didn't explicitly instruct the model to sleep. It decided to do that on its own. And this is why agentic automation makes so much sense in cases where the path to goal in a dynamic environment isn't clear. We want agents to be adaptive to real-world uncertainties. I hope that makes sense. Another cool feature I would like to show you guys is when agents are sleeping, you can even fast forward their sleep. Basically, agents think the given time has elapsed. Or if something changes sooner, say an API you depend on comes back online, or a customer cancels an order, you can also interrupt the nap with a one-line reason. The agent receives the note, reevaluates its next step, and keeps going. You stay in the loop without rebuilding the flow. So the point is, you're always in control. In case an agent does something wrong, you can always guide it back on track. To add to that, agents can also request for feedback without any timeouts. You can even control the degree of feedback requests by explicitly instructing the model on when and how you want agents to ask for feedback. If you want a fully autonomous operation, then you can remove the feedback requests functionality entirely, or instruct the models to request feedback or confirmation during key stages. Basically, you treat them as you would like a coworker. And these agents think like human and execute like machines, if that makes it clear. Doubling down on this coworker thing, we also made it very easy and intuitive to interact with agent requests and approvals by centralizing all these requests into an agent inbox. So right here, you can see all the requests, even the agent activity, and whatever request needs to be addressed, all in one place. Oh, wait. Hold on a sec. Achoo! Damn. Whew, that was... Sorry about that, guys. So I hope you got an understanding of just how different Cygnus AI is. And by this time, you might have got an intuitive sense of your own use cases. This, of course, only scratches the surface of what Cygnus can do. There are many more features that I haven't covered, like we offer app integrations where pipelines gets triggered whenever there's an event in your third-party app. We have knowledge-based functionality and even have email automation coming soon, and so much more. I can't wait to see use cases you guys come up with. For any questions, do reach out to our team or the support chat in the app. Take care. Bye-bye.